Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage explicit explicit image filter on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, and now here you will find privacy and safety. Click on it, and here as you see you will find explicit image filter, and that's it. That's here you can manage your explicit image filter as you want, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.